Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. Alright, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Verasity, VRA, one of my pet projects. So let's get into it. Alright, last we left off, we were talking about Bitcoin and I was pointing out this rising channel. Here, let me take the magnet off. This rising channel. And I said the title of the last episode was, will Bitcoin be able to go through 45,000? Because 45,000 we had pointed out was strong resistance. For those of you not subscribed, let's revisit briefly. All right, here's our strong resistance. Just pointing it out here, right? So we have this line at around 45K, and we have previous resistance that we can clearly see here, okay? And this is basically what we wanted, what we kept getting rejected by. Well, we didn't keep getting rejected. We got rejected once or twice. And some people thought we were going to get rejected, go all the way down to 35, 39, 40, right? But again, we're in a bull run. So if you're in a bull run, the number go up, right? You have to have a bullish bias. You don't have to, but you probably should. And that's the point of a bull run, right? A bull run's characterized by things going up more often than not. And again, technical analysis is all probability. Sorry, my screen's a bit goofy right here. What's going on? All right, there we go. Technical analysis is all about probability. And it's more likely than not that things go up in a bull run. So you want to, in a bull run, have a bullish bias. So we had this ascending channel, and I had said that the ascending channel had a measured move of the run up, which is this. And so we take this and I put it on here. And I said, this is the measured move. This is the technical target, about 47.2 for this, about 47 rather, 47 for this rising channel. However, what happened? Well, we broke out of the rising channel. We broke down, right? And we broke down approximately the same amount as we would if we broke up, right? You see the bottom, the vertex of the breakdown, which is here. And you did a beautiful ABC correction. Let's point that out. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. I like pointing all of this stuff out because it's interesting. These patterns really play out. So you have this this Elliott wave ABC correction for the breakdown, and then you have your X wave, which is a reversal wave, and it's usually confined in an X wave is a wave that is confined between top and a bottom, so it's a channel, and it usually denotes a reversal of price action, a reversal of trend. So we've got ABC, X, and then we've got the breakout. This is why, you want to be careful trying to short Bitcoin. What is shorting? Shorting is betting the price will go down. You can do that on leverage with margin, or you can just do that on spot. And, people short all the time to get good entries, right? So you see a double top or any kind of a bearish pattern, and you short and you say, oh, I believe that it'll go down. The technical target for this is X or Y or Z, whatever. And you wait until the price goes there. You put in limit orders. You just want to be careful doing that in a bull run because you never know when the price is going to run on you. It's still a good strategy. It's still something that, I do all the time, but in a bull run, especially if I'm in a contract, in a futures contract, I don't mess with it. If I think the breakdown is going to be 5%, what's 5%, right? If 5% is something to you, then, go ahead if you're on high leverage. But if, I don't know, it's just not worth it because things can run on you any second. And, you were down 5% for all of, let's see, for all of 16 hours. and then you recovered immediately. Not even 16 hours, a lot less than that. Whatever this ABC correction was, maybe 10, 12 hours. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Again, last thing I want to point out, you have this W pattern, which is a reversal pattern, which you see here, and you'll see it on pretty much all the projects today. You'll see that W pattern, and the measured move is indeed the height of the W. So right here, I don't know if you can see that, but that's basically what we this is what we executed. So I think that's really cool. Bitcoin's doing well. It smashed through that 45,000 that people thought was basically the last bastion of the bears. The most staunch resistance before the next major level, which is 64K, which is our previous high. But there may be some resistance at 48. But I think the next target is 51, as I've been saying. Another thing to look out for, if you're looking at patterns in market structure, you'll see that same W pattern that I just pointed out right here. You see a bigger version of it here. And if you take, and for those of you who may not be able to see it, I'm just going to point it out here. Boom. And what's the measured move of this? Right, same thing. It's the height of the W. So you take that from the breakout point, which is here, and that gives you a target of about 53.6. All right, but again, you can trade patterns if you'd like. I still think that the next target is 51, and I believe that we found that from, what did we find that from? I think we did Elliott wave sequence, but it's not important. Take what you have in front of you, and see what the market gives you. The market is capricious by nature. You never know what it's going to give. You never know what outside forces are going to do. But yeah, we're in a bull run. So find your entries where you can and expect the price to go up for now. All right, that's Bitcoin. Let's move into Verasity. All right, Verasity. This project, you'll see I threw the fibs on, has gone through and hit its third wave. It's completed its third wave. It's retraced for its fourth wave. So when I talk about waves, I'm talking about Elliott wave impulses. Elliott wave theory states that every impulse or every sort of motive trend is comprised of 5 waves, 3 impulsive waves and 2 corrective waves, and you can number them. And so I'm going to do that really quickly. Here we go. This was 1. This is 2. This is 3. And we got 3 on the button, and now we're getting 5. Okay, 5's not complete yet, but I'm just going to draw it out here. It's going to have to end above 3, even ever so slightly. So in Elliott wave theory, if you have a simple correction for 2, then you should get a complex correction for 4. So we have an ABC correction here for 2, and we have a complex correction here, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, let's see. Let me see if I can count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you have. An extended 5th wave for the 4th wave. Again, Elliott wave impulses are fractal, meaning you can see them on smaller time frames or larger time frames. So that's done, and now we just got our 5th wave started. And after that, you get an ABC correction. We'll get to that when we get to it. But usually the 4th wave is meant to end between the 0.5 and the 618, and that's exactly what we got, right? The end of the 4th wave between the 0.5 and the 618 Fibonacci sequence. All right, so that's it for VRA. I believe that we're going to go. So let's measure the fifth wave actually before we leave. So to see how high we can possibly go. So the height of the fifth wave usually goes to 618 of the third wave. So that would be the 1618 here. So we expect the fifth wave to end here at 2.447 cents. So that would be a good take profit zone if you're trading. If you're staking and holding, just FYI, that should be the point of reversal before a correction in Verasity. Hope this was useful. If you're finding value in this, please like, subscribe, share the video. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.